Hi all, welcome to the course. My name is Dr. Ty Fogel and I'll be your instructor this semester. I'm pleased you're in the course and look forward to working with you this semester. This video is to give you basic expectations of the course. I'm doing a separate video for a course overview, but this is just basic things that you need to know. And if helpful, you may find it useful to rewatch during the semester. The most important thing I can say in the course is to check your email frequently. If I send an email, it's important, and I don't want it to get caught up in all the other email that you may just be getting slammed from Columbus State. As a matter of fact, some of you may have Columbus State as spam on your spam folder. You should undo that because you need to be getting any communication from this class. I usually send an email about once a week in this class, sometimes more frequently, sometimes less frequently, but you should check your email daily because you never know when that time is going to be. So if you send an email with a question, or I may be sending an email to all students about a certain assignment, a workaround, or something that I found about that assignment, and it's going to be important for you to complete that assignment. For that reason, you need to check your email. And if you had sent me an email, likely I'm going to respond to you pretty quickly. We have until like a day or two, technically, but usually I respond faster. Once in a while, it's going to be a day, if it's a weekend or something like that. But usually, you're going to get a response from me pretty quickly. So make sure you check your email and make sure that none of the Columbus State email is going in the spam folder. Communication is vital in this course, and email is the way that I primarily interact with students. However, there is another method, and it's Webex. Webex is a tool that I use when I need to speak with a student online live. So if you need to see my screen, or if I need to see your screen to find out what your problem is. To initiate a Webex session, you'll just shoot me an email and give me some times that are available for you that work, and then I'll send you an invite to my Webex room. If you've never used Webex before, Webex will install a small app on your computer when you click the link, and then you'll be good to go. You need to realize that you're going to have to spend about 5 to 10 hours per week in the course. That includes reading, doing assignments, and then just integrating those concepts in the course. You may find that some weeks you need more time, some weeks you need less time, but that's a general rule about how much time you're going to spend in the course. A big thing that you need to watch out for is not waiting until an hour or two before the assignment is due before you start on it. You're just not giving yourself enough time. There is a late period in this course. The late period is 1 week from the due date. So keep that in mind. So if your assignment is due Friday, or let's say Thursday, and you begin just a couple hours before and you're not going to get it done properly, don't submit it until you ask questions about it or spend more time on the assignment. Submit it in the late period. You're much likely to get a lower deduction for a late penalty than you would for maybe 50% off or more on the assignment because it wasn't done right. So keep that in mind. Last, I don't mind answering questions, but only after you've read the assignment thoroughly, read the text and syllabus if necessary. So, be well prepared. I don't want to be answering questions about general course things that are in the course itself. These online courses, I know there's a lot of material on the course website, but you need to familiarize yourself with the syllabus, units of instruction, anything else that is pertinent to the course. So make sure you do that. Good luck and have a great semester.